I guess, Coach, tell me about how practice went today.
I thought it was good. I thought guys had good energy, came out here. I think we improved, got better at a lot of things. So we got 2 more left. So we got 2 more left to get as much preparation as we can, and then have a good Friday of mental preparation, and then go play our hearts out this last game.
And speaking of that, you get to, obviously from when you first got here to the first practice of the year to the last week of the year, what changes have you seen in this football team?
I think there's a whole bunch of guys now that really have bought in and really do things the way we want them and practice the way we want them. And there's been great improvement. We just needed to show up on Saturday so everybody can see it. And we've seen it every week, in practice. And then we've seen a lot of it in the games. It's just not consistently enough and everybody collectively enough that everybody's got to see it.
And you did sort of mention it yesterday, that the momentum carrying that into the offseason, especially for some of these seniors, some of these guys that have been here through some lean years. What does that mean for them?
Yeah, well, they won't be part of the momentum because they'll be gone. But it's really important for all of us that are going to still be here. Mm-hmm. I think it's important to go out there and play as hard as we can and get a win. And it builds going into all the offseason, all the times we're going to lift, all the times we're going to run, everything we're going to do. And for the seniors, it'll just be good for them to have their last game here be a win.
And, speaking of a guy like Dez, obviously had a pretty big game against Florida State, against a really good football team.
Yeah.
What does it mean to go out to get a guy, to bring a guy in for fall camp and see those results pretty much instantaneously?
Yeah, it's great. It just shows you, if you notice, he's out there working extra after every practice. That's why he's special, because he's competitive. He doesn't like to lose at anything ever in practice, and he always works extra to be the best. And so I was really proud of him. He was out there, playing against the best, and he held his own every bit, if not got after him a little bit. So he'll be great to have him back, and we get 22 guys that compete like him and are as tough as him, and we'll be in great shape.
And for him personally, I know he always talks about he wants to win. Yeah. For him personally, to be this close to 1,000 yards, maybe to go get 1,000 yards, what do you think that would mean for him?
That'd be great for him, and he's gonna get 1,000 yards. We got to make sure that happens. And so that's a great individual season. And then he's got to be a great leader all off season, so that next year he can feel the happiness and success of a team. Because no matter how you do as an individual, you're still going to be down at the end of the day if your team doesn't win. So, but he's going to have a great individual year. Had a great game against Florida State, and he can be very proud of himself and happy about that. And then just do a great job of leading us this off season, so we can all be happy after games next year.
And I know with Dez, with those results, you always want to say that's exactly what we expected. Is that exactly what you expected when you were getting him?
I thought he was going to be real good. We've usually we do a pretty good job of teaching receivers, and usually we normally, I think, except for my first year at Arkansas, because we started all freshmen, we normally always have a 1,000-yard receiver, and so he's worked hard, and if you put in the time and do what your coach should do and have the talent, then you have a great chance to be successful. And he's done it all. He has the talent. He works hard, and he's competitive. So, yeah, that is what you expect.